Hello, everyone. We are here in New York City on Spring in Elizabeth, and I have just walked into one of the most incredible spaces. This is the Furby was here, and literally, I think I just heard Furby speak just a second ago. He has literally made his splash and has moved in to the perfect apartment, which is my dream room. We're gonna take a look behind me. As you can see, it has been completely splashed in fuzziness, which I think I've been talking about actually having my own fuzzy room. I may need to move in here myself as well. So let's just take a little gander at what Furby has done with the space. It looks absolutely incredible. Let's start with this carpet and even the walls. I mean, this is just some of the softest, fluffiest fuzz. I never imagined we could put fuzz on a wall, but this is something I think I need an interior decorator to do on my own apartment. And it's got this great texture and color. As we walk around over here, we've got probably one of the coolest desks I've seen as well, completely, of course, covered in fur. And it has glitter. Oh, and of course it says "You are the best" on it. Look how cute. 90s memorabilia. This is definitely taking me back down memory lane. This has to be one of the coolest desks. I don't know where I could find a fuzzy desk like this, but this is, I don't think I would accomplish or get anything done as far as work goes here, because I think I would just be petting my desk the whole time. But this is so cute. Got the old school radio, and of course, couldn't get my work done without my nice icy slushy beverage here. It looks like Furby already drank it. Nothing left there. And then what else do we have here? Fuzzy shelves. Looks like Furby also has a specific playlist made up here. What do we have? UNYE, BOH, Do You, Witakalu, Lubu. Interesting playlist. May have to... Oh my gosh, what is that, Furby? Blowing out candles and smelling flowers. Furby was here. Look at all the stamps we've got. We've got a little mirror down here. I think this is Furby's favorite little mirror right down there. But behind me, if you can remember the Furby craze back in the 90s, this is some of the archaic Furbies, which I never was able to get because the lines were insane, and I know my mom literally was not wanting to wait on line with me. But look at how cute these are. So nostalgic. I can't remember which was my favorite. I feel like this was one of the ones I wanted my mom to get me. So adorable. But I think this one might be my favorite. This is like a shaggy carpet style Furby. My favorite color. This may be Furby's actual favorite best friend here. I love this little stand of makeup we've got as well with the lava lamp, of course. But the bed has to be the best part of this. And of course, without a New York pizza. I didn't know Furby liked pizza, but this is great. Looks like it's empty. Furby ate it all. Didn't save us a slice, unfortunately. Wow, this is the softest bed. Completely covered in fluff. This is the perfect bed for a winter time in New York as well, because it gets pretty cold out here. And as you can see, we've got little bubbles floating around. Comfy coziness over here. This looks like the hangout pad. We've got some pillows and decor. Over here, of course, one of my favorite telephones of all time was the lip phone. Hello, is anyone there? Hello, 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 hello. Oh, it is Furby. Furby, where are you? I have no idea where you've been, but you're late to the party. I'm waiting at your apartment, and it's covered in fur, so I love what you've done with the place. All right, I think we need to have a party here at Furby's apartment. I'm calling on my friends. We are going to have a fuzzy, fluffy party tonight. Somebody bring the fluffy cake, some fluffy drinks. Ooh, we have fluffy pens. Fluffy pens. And of course, what What would it be without a fuzzy hat? How do I look, Furby? Great. Thank you. Furby is looking to stretch mind and body right now. We'll have to do that after this video is concluded. But if you want to enjoy this same experience and also go around the city on a little scavenger hunt for some nice fuzzy exploration, this specific location will be open to the public starting on Sunday from 10 to 5. You can go on Eventbrite to schedule an appointment, or walk-ins will be available as well. But looking forward to going on the scavenger hunt to see what Furby has left us throughout the city. And there will be some mischievous moments scattered throughout the city, so definitely look out for some details as to where you can find those special opportunities.